Hello everyone, we're just following on with Unit 2, Lesson 7 and 8. Now choose the correct answer, it's Part C, we're here. How many Americans are injured in fires every year? Is it 7,000, 2,000, 167, and 84? Well, I'm not so sure, but it includes Part 1 and 2. So let's just get back to a few pages past this unit. It's in Unit 1. As you can remember, how many people did actually die in the United States? And I don't know why, Mr. Curriculum, we need this kind of question. It's 2,000 American, but no, actually, each year approximately 7,000 people in the United States are killed in fires. Amazing. So let's just try to follow on to another page. Okay, let's get back here. All right. Now, so it's actually 7,000. Las Vegas is, well, since it's a capital letter, it's a place, it's a city, and how many fires are caused by cigarettes every year? Um, Actually, we're not going to answer such kind of questions as a number because you can actually extract it out of the text. Let's just focus on the other ones with information. What's the main cause of fires in the United States? We've read about it. It's actually carelessness because oopsie, I'm not so sure about this, so I think we really need to take care about this. I'm just gonna get back to page 28. Yeah, okay. So actually, 200,000 people get injured, 7,000 get killed, and their main reason is still, let me see, all deaths. Oh, sorry, almost all deaths from fires are unnecessary. There are around 2.5 million fires in the United States every year, so it's 2.5 million. It's a small number. It's started by lightning, but almost all others are caused by carelessness. Okay. Okay. That's really good. So I can answer this. How many fires? It's actually uh, two, 2 million 2 million and a half, and then main reason is carelessness. You can do a lot to prevent fires in your home if you read a newspaper, watch television, go to sleep with a burning fire, uh, keep gas cylinders out in the sun. I don't think so. Know what causes them. Yeah, basically, if you know what causes them, you can actually prevent them. Now, in line 8 on page 30, these mean the word these. So let's just get back there and see what Mrs. Page 30 tells us. What are we on? Okay. It's line 8. Okay. These. Only adults should operate these. It returns to appliances. Yeah, correct. That's good for you. Appliances. All right. Oh, sorry, we're back here. So it's actually appliances. Question 7, why should you put smoke detectors on the ceiling? To warn people there's a fire starting, to fill a room with smoke, to stop people smoking in their sleep, to start fire. Well, actually, it's to warn. That's how you can tell. 8. In line 21 on page 31, they means. Oh, okay. So here's page 31, line 21. These mean. Even if you do everything to prevent fires in your home, they can still start. Well, actually, it's fires. Alright? So it is B, fires. In line 59 on page 32, there means. Now, let's just get back. Oh, it's like a game, you know? Alright? If the door feels hot, do not open it. Crawl to the window and open it. Leave through the window or wait there for the fireman. So you're going to wait next to the window. So there is near the ceiling and the fire on the floor. Now actually you're gonna wait on the floor. It's not if If it's hot, you're gonna wait on the floor. Um, Number 10, in a fire, why should you crawl to the exit? Because the air is the cleanest on the floor. Well, we're talking about crawling to the exit. This information is correct, but we're talking about crawling to the exit. Many students could just take this answer straight away, which is wrong. The door feels hot. Well, exit has nothing to do with the door. You will be near the window, still has nothing to do. You've got out of bed. Well, you need to crawl to the exit because you have got out of bed. Yeah, makes sense. Because the exit has nothing to do with the air. Okay, so it's D, you have got out of bed. In a fire, what should you do if your bedroom door feels hot? You're just gonna go to the window, okay? If you wake up and realize that there is a fire, when should you phone the fire service? As soon as you realize there is a fire, when you realize your bedroom door is hot, when you reach the window, after you leave the house. So first leave the house and then actually call the fire service. Okay. Now there's part D here where you need to discuss these questions with your teacher. Okay, I'll play the role of teacher here. Let's say we can discuss. I'm gonna be both teacher and a student. A. What should you do before you begin reading a new passage? Okay, miss. Well, Mister, who's ever your teacher, whether you're a boy or a girl, and you're gonna begin reading a new passage, and it's gonna be, well, you're gonna look at the pictures. Yeah, let me just write them down for you. I think really good information are here. One, you're gonna look at pictures. Two, read titles in headings, and then three, you're going like look at how many paragraphs there, and then you're going to focus on questions, and then you're going to start reading. If you have time in between, you can actually like guess and think, predict what's gonna happen. Oh, okay. Good question. Good answer. B. Make a list of some ways to get a general idea of the subject before reading. Well, if you want to know the general idea, you're gonna do one thing. Read the first paragraph, the last paragraph, and read first sentence of each paragraph. Okay? Now, Miss or Mister, what should you do when you see a new word in a passage? Yeah, you try to guess. New word, what do you do? All right. Well, first of all, break it. Okay? Into syllables. Like, for example, introduction. Whatever, if it's true or not true. Two, remember similar words. Like, for example, production. Three, find parts of speech. As in a verb, for example. Introduce. 4. Look at nearby words. In number 5, ask Mr. Google or Miss Dictionary. Okay, now with D, should you read the passage silently or aloud? Well, if you're in a test, you're gonna go silent. If you're just in front of everyone, you're gonna read it out loud because you want people to, hear it out, just like a teaching position. But actually, if you read it with your eyes, it's better. Read it with your eyes. Read without voice in your head, which is difficult, but that's the right way of reading things. Now, what should you do after you read passage the first time? Well, just answer the questions. Unless you're reading, if you're reading for pleasure, don't read it again. No more reading. But if you're reading for a test, just answer the questions. If you're just reading or studying, practice, so read again. Alright, so I think I did good with playing a role student and a teacher. We're done with this unit. We're gonna start this one next time. So have a good day. Bye.